The aftermath of two separate fires in a span of less than 24 hours. Ashes and dust engulfed the atmosphere this morning as residents of Mathare slums spent the better part of the night battling the vicious inferno that ravaged their homes. Efforts by firefighters to access the area were hampered due to the poor condition of the slum roads. The afternoon saw another fire pierce the heart of Kibera slums, razing hundreds of homes to the ground. No fatalities were reported, but several residents sustained injuries. Property was also lost in the inferno, with residents rescuing what they could from the fire, while some looters also took advantage of the chaos to steal. Firefighters also struggled to access the scene of the tragedy as they could not make their way through the narrow alleys of the Kibera slum to the affected areas. Once again, it seems Kenyans have not learned from hard lessons of the past.
Moto ikalipuka tu kwa nyumba moja pup, na hii moto ilikuwa inakimbia ni kama kuna kitu ilikuwa imemwagwa ndani ya hiyo moto. Sasa ikachanganyisha kila mtu ambapo hata kuna kitu ambacho ungeweza kuchukua kwa ndani ya nyumba.
The situation here was not deplorable enough. This fire has now compounded the residents' problems and leaving them wondering where to turn to for assistance. These fires come roughly 6 months after the Sinai slum fire that claimed over 100 lives. The latest tragedies, however, point to the urgent need for the government to address the congested state of the slums and their inaccessible road networks. If firefighting crews are to battle such fires successfully in the future, a lot more will have to be done to widen roads in the slums. Melvin Ochieng, Citizen Weekend.